Hello, so this is a short video on some introduction on how to make the glider. Firstly, the materials required. Uh, we have cardboard here, we have broom bristles here, we have tape here, we have scale here, and we have a cutter here. We also have a pencil. We will also need rubber bands, which I have not mentioned now, and yeah. So if you do not have this kind of broom bristles, even bamboo ones will do. Or the method for which will be highlighted separately. So let's start with the first step. The first step is to ensure that you have enough cardboard cutouts. I have already, as you can see, cut out the outer layer. So you don't need the entire cardboard, you just need to cut out the outer layer of it. So for cutting out the outer layer, you need to use a cutter and make a cross section around it, make a like boundary around it, and then just pull it out. It will come out easily. And if you have more than one layer, just remove them from that. Simple. So instead of cutting such a small piece, you need to cut an entire cross section. So after that, you need to make a like cardboard rectangle for folding. Already the measurements have been done very elaborately in the documentation. This is a 45 cross 12.5 rectangle, and there is a center line around which I will fold. So yeah, after that, next step is making the airfoil. For airfoil, you need to take out a printout of the airfoil and airfoil cross section and cut it. If you do not have the printout, like you can see a pen will like just like taking the boundary of it will also do, but try to keep it as close as possible. So after that, you need to make these airfoils. So these are the airfoils, and these airfoils, like I have taken 24 cutouts because I am planning 5 ribs, and each of the 5 ribs, like 4 out of 5 ribs will have 4 cutouts, and the central one will have 8 because central one will require support later. And yeah, the next step is to make sure these cutouts are barbecued to the spar. This is the spar. I am using broom bristle spar. You can use the bamboo ones also, but make sure they are very thin. So yeah, the barbecuing will be something like this, and then you have to stick it. So next stop, I will just skip to the part where I've done this and then continue. So those airfoils we talked about, I joined them in 4s, 4, 4, 8, 4, and this 4. Now how to insert them? Just try to make sure that the end of it is thin enough, because it will be easier to insert. And make sure that measurement you are doing is divided well. So yes. Now the next part of the thing. You might want to stick some of them because especially the middle one needs to be pretty solid, but most of them would stick automatically without much issue. Okay. So now next step is to fold the wings. Now this is the most important and a bit tough and tricky step. So please watch this carefully. So yes, this is my 5.5 centimeter line. Before doing anything, just see where they are aligned and apply glue there. this does not need to be a very like sticky adhesive or something. This is just to mark and kind of a line so that we know their relative positions. So as you can see, this is the spar ribs. We have already made that for you. Just apply some glue like this. Note that glue is not the main adhesive. And before sticking this, do fold it so that it will be easier for you to fold. Okay, so now we'll fold this. Now note that there is some area sticking out. Don't cut that area because that would help you in trimming later. I'll show that a little in a bit. And now, so we completed the bending of the wing. So it would be like this after that. Do cover the entire body with tape. It will make it smoother and reduce the drag. So this is how it will look. So little bent, you could make it a bit better. Like this is the better version. Okay. So next step is making the fuselage. So I'll be using this here. But if you want to use the broom bristles which we used earlier, you could do them. The process is same. Instead of like cutting it in half, you just need to take two which are pretty thick and stick them from here. Ignore the rubber band won't be used now. And tape the 1 here and 1 here. I'll elaborate that with this now for now. So first, you need to pass it through. This is the center there. That's why we asked you to make it thicker than the rest, because it will provide a better grip. Okay. So with this, you need to tape 1 ear and 1 ear. Start with a smaller tape because it's easier that way. Okay, so this is how it will look finally. This should be tight because the wing should not move during the flight, so just keep that in mind. Now that we have already cut out the tail and it's glued the thing, just insert it between the gap left between here. The calculations already have been shared in the documentation. I'm not going through it again. So okay, try to keep the wing and tail as equally aligned as possible. By the way, this is called horizontal stabilizer, not tail. I might mention this as tail a lot in the documentation also. Now this is the final part of the thing. This is vertical stabilizer. I have mentioned what it is and why it is in the documentation. You just need to make sure that it is straight, or else your plane will turn automatically without an external stimuli. And just tape it up. So I stuck the vertical stabilizer here. So the model is ready here, as you can see. Just note that this is not the end. You will need to balance the movements. Like when you throw it, it will move like this. So then you will need to add weight here. and that weight will be in the form of rubber bands like this. Also, you add extra tape at the side where it is giving you some extra movements, roll movements, like this will shift towards one side, like this is leaning towards left. So add some tape here, or you can also add rubber bands if you want. Also there will be a yaw movement, this. So if there is a yaw movement, remove this and again make sure that this is straight. So yeah, that's it. So as you could see in the video, it was swerving right a bit. So I cut a aileron here and change it here. It could have been improved, but my stick broke. But yeah, also you need to balance the weight by adding this, by adding rubber band as I added. So it was going straight, and yes, so that's it.